This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and a rear spoiler. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.